Forgive me now, 'cause I have been unfaithful. Don't ask me why, 'cause I don't know. So many times I've tried, but was unable. This heart belongs to you alone. Now I'm in a secret place, alone in your embrace, where all my wrongs have been erased. You have forgiven all the promises and lies, all the times I compromised, all the times you were denied. You have forgiven. Forgive me, I'm ashamed. I've loved another. I can't explain, 'cause I don't know. No one can take your place, and there is no other for alone in your embrace, where all my wrongs have been erased. You have forgiven all the promises and lies, all the times I compromised, all the times you were denied. You have forgiven. Oh, 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 oh. You have forgiven, forgiven, I'm just a step away, I'm just a breath away, losing my faith today.
Falling off the edge today.
I am just a man, not superhuman.
I'm not superhuman.
Someone save me from the haze. It's just another war, just another family torn,
Falling from my feet today.
just a step on the edge, just another day in the world we live. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero.
Save me
I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me.
just in time.
I've gotta fight today to live another day, speaking my mind today.
My voice will be heard today.
I've gotta make a stand, but I am just a man.
I'm not superhuman.
My voice will be heard today. It's just another war, just another family
My
torn.
voice will be heard today.
It's just another kill. The countdown begins to destroy ourselves. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero.
Save me
I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me.
just in time.
I need a hero to save my life. I need a hero just in time. Save me just in time. Save me just in time. Who's gonna fight for what's right? Who's gonna help us survive? We're in the fight of our lives.
When I'm ready to die.
Who's gonna fight for the weak? Who's gonna make them believe? I've got a hero living in me. I've gotta fight for what's right. Today I'm speaking my mind. If it kills me
I
tonight,
will be ready to
a
die.
hero's not afraid to give his life. A hero's gonna save me just in time. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero. I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me. I need a hero. Who's gonna fight for what's right? Who's gonna help us survive? I need a hero. Who's gonna fight for the weak? Who's gonna make them believe? I need a hero. I need a hero. A hero's gonna save me just in time.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
E4I. Take another minute just to give everybody a movie never seen a hit 'em with another. Let me get up everybody that be moving with. On your mark, so get ready.
Let's go.
Wow. Okay, here we go again. You see the wind blowing in. I'm like a mangling the wind and I be mangling the beat. They call me Dracula. Then they see the going in. Wow. Everybody know that I'ma come and I'ma go. When I gotta do it, I be coming in and doing body to beat. They let the baby giving them a show. Keys to the ignition and step on the gas.
Let's go.
And bust a bottle and pour me a shot in my glass.
Let's go.
Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? We back up in the building and we coming with a sculpture. Y'all already know who it is. It's Bustle, and Travis Barker. Back to the beat, so we gotta go. Hit you with the fire trust. Everybody better know that we better let it blow. And we gotta get it, y'all. Everybody, if you're really with me.
so now I gotta get a drama song. Put the T up on the track, I'll be phenomenal, cause when it come to having a hit, I'ma make another one. Blink 182 times, when you see the twister with Travis. Madness, kinda like a savage, ravage, murder with the art like blood on the canvas. Kind of impeccable, how I can spit it to get up in a minute with intricate patterns of a kick drum. Diabolical, a lyrical flow, that'll swallow you theoretical, thinking that you could get some. I'ma hit it with a Lamborghini flow, with the speed of a Bugatti. I'm from another planet when I spit it.